This is the Tank T3 ULTRA 2 GPS smartwatch. Twist your wrist, bring it up from always on screen to a beautiful full AMOLED screen display. When you swipe down, you have all kinds of different controls, all changeable. Bluetooth pairing with Bluetooth calling and music streaming. Extremely broad range of brightness. Twist your wrist to see the time you can activate from here. A deep power savings mode. There's your always on display. There's a flashlight, nice and bright, easy to operate, and right available directly from here. You got your overall settings. This is where you can set up your always on parameters with custom faces that you can install from the gallery, or you can have the face that goes along with the actual watch face as your default always on face. Over here you got many more controls. This is for a cover lock where you can cover the watch and it'll turn the watch off. You've got vibration, do not disturb, shake water out of this IP69 5 ATM waterproof smartwatch. It's really amazing. And a whole bunch more. You hit that key and you can see a bunch of other different things you could put in here as well. When you swipe off this way, you get notifications sent from your phone. And when you come up, which I could do by swiping or by hitting the down buttons, you see you have all kinds of different measurements in here. Each of these can launch into their own separate app, including stress, your emotional state, weather in your area, alarms, a running stopwatch, sleep time, women's health, barometer, altimeter, stopwatch runs in the background, countdown timers, and more. When you tap the bottom button here, you get whatever you've programmed it to be. I programmed it to be a compass on this one. And when you tap the top button, you get into all of your different apps, and I mean there's a bunch of them to go through. Your calls, your workouts, daily activity, again the stopwatch we've seen, women's health, you name it, it's in here. Construction-wise now, this is a really solidly built watch. One of the things that sets it off from the Tank T3 ULTRA itself is the solid stainless steel case that it's built in. Steel construction all the way around. It also has GPS backtracking, which is a feature when you're in a workout that you can tap it and follow your route that you just came on, and the watch will tell you if you deviate from that route. And it also has some very specialized custom watch face design capabilities to it, that if you switch watch faces and you see this little icon at the bottom, you can change around the different display windows to your liking. All in all, it's a very well-built, well-constructed Bluetooth calling with music streaming, meets all of the MIL standard specifications, very well hardened and built smartwatch. It is the Tank T3 ULTRA 2. Check it out.